How to download apps on laptop. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download apps on laptop. Now, you want to open up your default app store on your laptop. So if you are on Windows, your default app store is Microsoft Store. Go ahead and click on the search bar and search for Microsoft Store. Once you find it, double click on it to launch it open. Now make sure to sign into your Microsoft account. Once that is done, you can find different applications over here. So you simply want to find the one that you want to download. If you don't find it here, you can click on the search icon at the top of your screen. Go ahead and type in the keyword over here. Now from the search results, simply select the one that you want to download. Now you want to click on the get or install option over there. Once you click on that, the downloading will begin. After the application has been downloaded, you can follow the on-screen prompts to install it on your laptop. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.